Welcome everybody. Today, I will be reviewing the ASUS NUC i7 Gaming Mini Desktop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. At its heart lies the Intel Core i7-12700H, a 14-core processor with 20 threads, capable of turbo frequencies up to 4.70 GHz. This powerhouse provides exceptional multitasking performance, whether for intense gaming sessions or demanding productivity tasks. Paired with the Intel Arc A770M Graphics, 16GB GDDR6, this mini desktop delivers smooth visuals, fast rendering, and immersive gaming experiences. With 32GB of high-speed RAM, the system ensures seamless multitasking across multiple applications, while the 1TB PCIe SSD guarantees lightning-fast boot times and rapid data transfer speeds. This combination is ideal for gamers, creative professionals, and anyone handling large files or datasets. The ASUS NUC i7 Gaming Mini Desktop delivers big performance in a small form factor, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. The ASUS NUC is packed with modern connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, DisplayPort, and RJ45 Ethernet. Its Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth ensure fast and stable wireless connections. The inclusion of an SD card reader and desktop holder adds to its versatility, appealing to photographers, designers, and content creators. Running Windows 11 Pro, the system provides enterprise-grade security and advanced management features. This makes it suitable not only for gaming but also for professional environments requiring robust security and productivity tools. Despite its small size, the ASUS NUC maintains excellent thermal management, ensuring quiet operation under heavy loads. Its sleek black design fits into any workspace or entertainment setup, combining style with functionality. Some pros of this mini desktop are: compact form factor with high-end performance, powerful 14-core Intel i7 processor and advanced Intel Arc A770M graphics, generous RAM and storage capacity for multitasking and data handling, extensive connectivity, including Thunderbolt 4 and DisplayPort, enterprise-ready with Windows 11 Pro. The ASUS NUC i7 Gaming Mini Desktop is an exceptional solution for users who value performance and portability. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or a power user looking for a space-saving yet robust system, this mini desktop exceeds expectations. Its blend of cutting-edge hardware, enterprise features, and compact design makes it a standout option in the gaming and productivity PC market. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.